Hey there guys, we're going to be doing big chompy bird hunting here. So this is kind of the starting area here. As you can see on the map, it's on the east side of Buildup Hills. How I got here was through the fairy ring, which is AKS, but it looks like there might be a gnome glider. I'm not sure, although I'm not sure how you unlock this particular gnome glider. But I do know you can get here at least from Remington by starting the Corsair Cove quest. Yeah, that's how I got here. Here's the little starting area, and here we go. Hey, you creature! Make me some stabbers. I wanna punt the chompy. Question mark. Okay, I'll make you some stabbers. Good, you creature. You need dixies from the AK tree and stabbies from dog bones. Alright. Very good. Chopping down an achy tree. An interesting tree with long, straight branches. These logs are longer than normal. Okay. I'm gonna use a knife on that. And, we're gonna make arrow shafts. That's what we're making. Okay, I guess we're getting more logs? And then we're gonna make, more arrow shafts, I guess. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna use the feathers here. And then, using chisel and some wolf bones here. And then, yeah, I guess we're gonna make all of them? Or let's just make one for now here. Okay. Okay, I guess we do need at least one more, so let's do one more. Okay. Use these ogre arrows on him. Hey, you creature, you made the stabbers. That's good, creature. Well, yes, actually. As you asked so nicely, here you go. Here's your stabbers. Rance takes 6 ogres. You? Ah, there, creature as them goodly. Now us can stick their chomping bird. But the chomping not coming without the fatsy toadies. Gotta get their fatsy toadies to get the chompies. Then we put it over there and sneaky stick the chompy. How do we make the chompies come? Chompies love the fatsy toadies. Toadies get big on their swamp gas and their chompies are licking their lips for him as me is licking lips for the chompy. The chompies don't like the smaller toadies from nearby swampy. These fuzzy eaters, just like rats. Fuzzy and bugs play with toadies and blur days all times making fatsy toadies. Okay, thank you. Alright, now we're gonna go into the cave up here. And now I'm going to open this chest. Got bugs and icy. I guess this is what an ogre would call a locked chest. So I managed to lift the huge rock off of the chest. Guess there's a rock on there. Okay. I guess we'll just take one ogre bellow. Take a pair of ogre bellows. It's a large pair of ogre bellows. Alright. Gonna exit the cave here. Oh. Oh, he disappeared. Or I could get some kebab and beer. Alright, fill the bellows on the swamp bubbles. Gonna go southwest, it looks like. And, we're going to take the bellow, suck up the swamp bubbles, and inflate the toad, I guess. Alright. We just need one of them, I think. Yes, do be careful if you're doing this. There's level 64 wolves and level 53 ogres. Alright. Just to talk to him, I guess. Hey, creature, you still here? The chompy's still not coming. We need the fatsy toady to get the chompy. Do you get it? Do you got the fatsy toady? Then we can sneaky stick the chompy. Yes, I have a fatsy toady for you. Here, look. You show the loaded toad to Rance. He nods with approval. That's a good fatsy toady. Now he's need to put it for the chompy to come. Where should I put the fatsy toadies? Over there, creature. Put the toadies over there. The ogre points to a clearing to the south. Alright. It's either the blue arrow or the yellow arrow. Okay, I'll drop it right here after I examine it. It's an inflated toad. Okay, so dropping that. Wait for the chompy to spawn. If the frog despawns, you'll need to place another one. Yeah, I'll stand on the blue arrow. It's a green-skinned croaker. It's got little beady purple eyes there, it looks like. It's pretty cool. Come out, come out. Maybe I was supposed to put it on the blue arrow. Oop. I guess I need another toad. I'll be back. Okay, I decided to get two bloated toads this time. That way I have a spare. I'm gonna place it on the blue arrow this time. I will wait over here. Chompy, chompy, chompy. Oh. Well. One more frog, I guess. One more toad. Let's back up here. Maybe we gotta chant his name 3 times. Chompy, chompy, chompy. Come out. Please. Come on. You can do it. Okay, well, guess I'm going to get more toads. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I got 3 more. It wouldn't let me get more than... at least I don't know if it would have allowed me to get more than 3. I tried and the other toads escaped. As you might be able to see, one of your bloated toads manages to escape. So maybe we can only get 3 at a time here. I placed it away from the arrow this time. Ooh, what is this guy doing? He's got balloon toads. Look at that. Oh no, his thing failed too. It's pretty cool though. And now we wait. There he is! Okay. What do I do? Oh. Okay. Shoot it. And there's a chompy. I was gonna shoot it. Rance keeps missing the chompy bird. Grr, these arrows are rubbish. Oh, it's making my throat raspy there. Holy cow. Okay, I just got back from throat reduction surgery and my throat's all good. So, let's try this again. Hey there. You keep missing the chompy bird. I won't do the voice this time. I knows. I keep missing because your stabbers are worser at flying than a dead dog. Come on, let me have a go. No, is Rand stabby thrower. You too, Edie. I'm actually quite strong. Please let me try. Oh, okay. I'll lend you other stabby thrower. But creature don't better cry when it hurts itself. Rance hands over an ogre bow. It's huge. You can barely draw back the string. Alright. We're going to need our own arrows, I guess. I think I'm gonna make the arrows first, I guess. Hey! I would couldn't level. How much XP does this yield? Come on. Only 25. Wow, I must have been pretty close. Okay. And then I'm going to need all of the arrows. Okay. This time we try the hunt. Okay. Now we bait the trap. Come here, Chompy. Get over here. Let's check out the ogre bow while we're at it. It's more powerful than a normal bow, useful against large game birds. And I guess we can check it? Oh, I have to complete the quest first before I can check the ogre bow. Alright, Toad, do your thing. There he is! Kill! Wow, this is so slow. Rapid fire! Alright, pluck the chompy. And then we can get some... Wow, that is 2,200 gold. Yep, I examined the bones. There we go. I need to cook it first. I can bury this here. Now I can use this raw chompy on Rance here. That's a great chompy. You must have got a lucky shot with the stabby chucker. Okay, now Zeus needs to cook the chompy. Slurp. Zeus can cook. It's over there. Rance points to a nearby spit roast. But we's particular about our chompy yums. Me's want potatoes with mine. Spicy and Bugs want something with theirs as well. Go and ask him what they want. What? Now I've got the chompy bird. You expecting me to cook it as well? Yep, the spit's over there. Last time Rance did yummies, got very bad. Did bad things to food and belly. Huh. Okay. Well, let's go talk to the kiddos here. So examine these guys first. This must be Rance's son. It's probably gonna say daughter. Yep, this must be Rance's daughter. Dad says he's making the chompy for us. Slurp. Me's has to have cabbage with mine. Chompy is our favorite yums. Alright, so we need cabbage, potato, and Dad said I was roasting the chompy for us. Slurp. Me's wants to Dougal leaves with mine. Yummy. Can't wait to eat it. Alright, Dougal leaves for you as well. Alright, so we gotta leave the cave. Pick the potato. Picking the potato. Go south here. Bit east. It's pretty easy. It looks like everything's right here. And okay, we need Dougal leaves. And those are gonna be west. There's some other types of leaves. I think they were called aqua leaves over there. But I guess that's not what he wants. You gotta go way to the west. Wow, look at all those chompy birds. Okay, going to cook chompy bird on Rance's spit roast. And try not to get killed by the ogres here. Use the potato, Dougal leaves, and the cabbage with the chompy bird to make a seasoned chompy. Let's examine this. Useful for ogre dinners. Alright. We carefully placed the chompy bird on the spit roast, added the other ingredients, and cooked the food. Eventually the chompy is cooked. Very good. Alright, let's present it. Hey creature, did you get the cooked chompy yet? I smelled something cooking and it made me hungry. Hand over the chompy if you know what's good for you. Yes, here you go. Here's your cooked chompy bird. You hand over the cooked chompy bird to Rance. Hey, we got the delicious chompy bird, yay! This looks really tasty as well. Thanks very much for the chompy. Lacey and Bugs like very much the chompy yums. The family of ogres sit down together and enjoy your well-cooked chompy bird. It's my pleasure. There we go. I have completed Big Chompy Bird hunting. Oh, there you go. That's all there is to it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.